Hi, Steve Clifford from Sheehy Toyota of Stafford and Fredericksburg, Virginia. Visit them at sheehy.com. One of my YouTube subscribers sent me a note asking some questions about changing some of the settings on the connected navigation system. That's the onboard navigation. It's called Drive Connect. It's a subscription-based service. Not a lot of people are actually using it. A lot of people are using their phone, but her question was that she wanted to use the Drive Connect, but she wanted it to reflect in kilometers. She lives in Canada. I would have thought that the Canadian ones would be default set that way, but apparently not. So it does show miles. Well, this is an easy fix. Now, I'm in a Tundra, but all of our vehicles have this little menu up here. Now, it changes location on some vehicles, but get to the little settings gear there. Start scrolling down. Go down all the way till you get to the meter settings. That one. Push and hold. Drop down to units. And then we're going to change from US MPG up to kilometers. And that's liters per 100 kilometers. We're going to hit that.
Turn right ahead and then turn right at the end of the road.
And now our navigation has switched over to kilometers. So, very easy fix. If you have questions, if you have specific things that you want to see videos on, send me an email at steveclifford@sheehy.com. No dashes or spaces or anything like that, just my name at sheehy.com. Happy to do it. Please like and subscribe the channel. That does help me a lot. It drives more traffic to my channel. So thank you for watching and enjoy it.